a green global phenomenon is taking place, promising a complete transformation of the world economy, creating an opportunity like no other. Global businesses are adopting more sustainable practices such as those found in energy generation, transmission, storage, efficiency, transportation, contracting and engineering, agriculture, air and environment, water and wastewater, business services, finance, investment, research and advocacy, smart grid and advanced products, and in the process transforming the global economy, fundamentally changing the way business is conducted. This evolution of the global green economy is accelerating and growing exponentially. We are witnessing what promises to become one of the largest movements of mankind, where we believe untold fortunes will be made and lost. How we utilize the planet's resources, how we live our lives, the products produced by companies, how they produce them, the services being demanded, all are being reshaped in exciting and unexpected ways every day. And the pace of change keeps increasing. We are in a global race that will determine who will lead and benefit from, and who will fall behind and lose in this new global economy. It is the next industrial revolution. Hundreds of billions of dollars are being poured into the world's economies because of and in support of this green revolution. How these resources are used and managed by California and the United States will determine whether this country will enjoy a sustainable manufacturing and business base, allowing the U.S. to export, generate revenue, and create jobs and abundant opportunity for everyone involved, or if the U.S. will be left behind and the race will go to others. The problem: in this global race for leadership in the green economy, the U.S. is far behind. The general perception is that the U.S. is at least 2 years behind reality relative to its competitors in the global green economy. The problem is rooted in the following. There is a significant outreach and education shortfall, which holds back and limits implementation of programs and projects, alters and outcomes, legislation, policy, rules, and regulations. This shortfall ultimately slows the acceptance, then the use of green products and services being produced. Second, there is a massive information, knowledge, and experience gap which separates, unnecessarily complicates public and private interests and efforts. They're compounded by the lack of global perspective. Last, the inability to navigate, utilize many of the government programs and initiatives, in addition to full alternative capital sources and innovative financial structures that have surfaced, severely limits our ability to compete. These shortfalls and inabilities cause an unfavorable economic environment for the U.S. by creating a lag implementation, slowing the pace at which we compete. Bottom line, the U.S. has approximately 100 million people, runs a $13 trillion economy. It's $12 trillion upside down. Green Globe is a highly specialized market development engine with the purpose of providing a comprehensive, globally focused, centralized hub of knowledge and resource, aligned with consulting and advisory services to those within the sustainability industry. Together we will build a more robust, sustainable, environmentally friendly, job-creating, export-driven green economy.